Hello, hello, hello. So me and Siphosethu this afternoon we decided that we were gonna spend time together because I do have somebody that takes care of Sipho on a full-time basis. When she is around, when the caretaker is around, I'm not spending time with Sipho, like bathing her, feeding her, and all of that because obviously the caretaker takes care of that. So I have to make a conscious decision to make sure that I interact with Siphosethu and I also play with her when I have time and when she's willing to, because sometimes she's moody and she don't want to do it. Okay. So since I've got a bit of weight to lose, okay, and suppose it also needs to just do some exercises, I decided that we will play a ball, which we do from now and then. And some of the questions that you get, or one of the questions that you get as a special needs mom, is how do you know which activities to do with your child? Obviously, it's always advisable to speak to your child's team. I always make sure that I speak to her physiotherapist so that I know what exercises are okay for her to do, what exercises are not okay for her to do. I know for sure that her playing a ball is really good for her. She gets some stimulation, but also she gets to exercise. Remember, Siphosethu does have a brain damage, so even though she might understand what I'm saying to her, for an example, when I say push the ball, but it takes some time. She's a little bit slower to actually get to push the ball. But also the fact that she can't move her hands as fast as she would like to, but eventually she would put the ball. So if you are patient enough with her, and also you pay enough attention, you will see that she eventually does push the ball. So I really enjoy playing ball with her. So yes, you guys, please ignore the big sister and the big brother here that are disturbing us while we are having bonding time with Siphosethu. Anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. Do not forget to like it. Okay, thank you so much. Siyanithanda sinosiphosethu. Yes, yes, yes. Ilindile Siphosethu. Click, 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 pause. Yes. Good to go. Good to go. I'll catch you later. Yes. Yes. Yes, at home. Yes. Oh. Oh. I am property. We are the robot. Linear support.
I am waiting. 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 Waiting to put. I am waiting. Waiting to put. I am waiting. 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 What is not it? For some more. 10 minutes. Kick the balls and home. Kick the balls and home. Kick the balls and home. Sorry, Baba. Sorry. Me? Me, Ziba? None fun. None. None fun. Yes. Post a bliss. Post a bliss. Post a bliss. You're invincible. Bring it in, Mama. Willing to the step. Yes, 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 yes. Yay! First, vula phela izandla. Hey, Bo. Who said I need your video? Yes, you are disturbing us.
I am not. I'm also joining the bonding system here.
We are bonding, not safe.
Am I not allowed?
You will have your own bonding session. This one belongs for Siphosethu to pay for this one.
Mwah.
See Lindile Siphosethu. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Waiting. Sipho. Lindile. Is it half time? Or half time?
half time. Siyaphumula manje.
Sihlale phansi na Sipho.